Okay, we're definitely gonna walk down this street. We got kind of this Portuguese tile that kind of jumped out at me. It's definitely a nighttime one, and we're gonna just go straight down that way, so stay tuned. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna go straight that way. I'll give you the name of the street. It's always gonna be listed anyways on the title. So we're gonna head all the way down that way. Just kind of give you a little context of where we are. We're kind of in this alleyway, sort of. These places are cool looking. So we're coming down that way, and then I kind of came across this big open space of all these Portuguese tiles, these white tiles. And I figured I'd turn on the camera and go down this one because it's could be kind of interesting. It's nighttime and the lighting is still pretty good on this camera, so I don't know, maybe I'm kind of playing around with the settings, trying to figure stuff out a little bit, and maybe I actually got something that's not too bad, because this does look a lot better than usual. And there's actually little alleys in here too. Check out those little things. So you could explore all these little things right here, right? Just kind of go in and go down these little alleys, little toy store. So yeah, that's kind of why I wanted to film this one, because it looks a little bit different. So we're definitely going to continue down that way a little bit if we can. Looks like the traffic is coming around this way, so I have to be careful. It's yeah, I guess I see some nice artwork up above, so we're going to capture that on film too. And just the kind of nighttime feel of walking around in Macau. Sometimes people ask if it's safe or not, and it's really safe in Macau. Unbelievably so. Never even think about it. Yeah, and actually, of course, I'm a man, so maybe it's different, you know. Like, but you can also see a lot of everybody is walking around. So there's women that walk around at nighttime too. So you'll see that. And I haven't really heard of anything. There are cameras everywhere in the city, so I don't know if you'd be caught so quickly if you committed a crime in Macau. It's a good traffic though. Okay, you just see got more alleys like that. Okay, this is kind of so that's the street that we're coming down off of. That's a little alley right there. That alley looks amazing. Parking lot, parking garage. And we're gonna head down this way. Yeah, now I know where we are. We're in a pretty good little spot. Rua de Tercena. So that's the street right there, Rua de Tercena. Looks nice at nighttime too. The alleyways. And now we're kind of near this Rua de Envenenarios, Street of the Herbalist. Bartender is a really cool guy, Pedro. I should go by there and have a beer sometime, but tonight I want to film, so I don't want to stop what I'm doing. For some reason the lighting is amazing tonight. So this is the Rua de Envenenarios, just Grand Lisboa, way up there. Of course, these beautiful apartments as well, and I think they're still selling things here too. So it looks like they're getting ready to close up a little bit. Yeah. I guess he's up there somewhere. Get all these that's the street that we're on, and pretty cool little street. And could go straight down that way. Take the Centro. All these little alleys. I would go down this alley, but I think this is Rua dos Invernários, and I think I was on Rua de Tercena, so I think I want to stay on that street. Rua de Tercena. Let me see. Don't know who's up there. So we'll stay on our same street, which is Rua de Tercena. Let me see. Yeah, wow, the lighting is just amazing tonight. Unbelievable. There's a little cat shop right here. So yeah, let's see if we can see it a little bit. So there's a shop here, and I think that this one is Three Monkeys Cafe, coffee shop, and then this one is a cat shop. See, Pedro's shop is here. I don't know if he's in there or not. Okay, yeah, this whole street, definitely worth filming. That's a really cool bar right there, food truck. I want to go in, but I want to film, so I think we'll end it right there. Go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha.